Pating Reviews presents OMEN 30L Gaming PC 2021 Updated Version RTX 3080 i9-10850K with 1TB SSD. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. A terrific pre-built gaming PC. I've had this for 4 days now. There were no reviews when I bought it, so I was taking a chance on an HP pre-built no less. I'm glad I did. Here are some of the thoughts that will hopefully help you as well. Coming from someone who's built gaming and business PCs, I'm overall impressed with the OMEN 30L and its performance. It's also extremely attractive and very well built. The OMEN 30L doesn't have all the fine-tuning options as with a custom-built PC, but it performs as it should, and ultimately, that's what matters. Performance is on par with benchmarks you'll find online. Besides having no option in the BIOS to really fine-tune this rig, my only criticism would be the volume of the fans under load when gaming and slightly high temps. This is simply because the case is very compact and the 3 fans can only do so much. That said, the RTX 3080 temps in the mid-70s and the CPU temps around 80 in Warzone at 4K with all the eye candy turned on is acceptable. I'm planning on replacing the radiator fan to hopefully lower the CPU temps, and overall idle, it's pretty good still, and it's quiet. The RTX 3080 is a custom for this PC. It has 3 fans with a curve that shuts them all off when at roughly 30 degrees or below. The middle fan runs itself at 30% when it's just above the temp. You can definitely hear all the 3 fans when under load, but nothing out of the ordinary or annoying. Any overclocking is performed from the OMEN Command Center, not within the BIOS. The memory is already running at the only option you can choose, above stock at 3200. So really, with the temps being where they are, there's nothing more to accomplish with overclocking. This is a gaming PC for someone that wants the latest high-end tech in a no-frills package running at stock speeds. Just turn it on, load your games, and enjoy. Gamers and content creators wanting to plug and play will be very pleased with this computer. Tweakers who wish to spend hours squeezing every ounce out of it to maximize performance might be disappointed. But to me, the difference between 123 frames per second on this attractive pre-built machine at stock and 128 frames per second on a custom-built PC that's perfectly dialed in doesn't justify spending all the time and money for those extra 5 frames. I've now had 4 full days on this computer, no hiccups, no stutters, just great performance that feels right. I'm honestly surprised HP can thank the 3080 shortage for my purchase. Well done, HP. And I mentioned it looks great. I definitely recommend that you check out this pre-built gaming machine as it's amazing. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.